Hello and welcome to today's video about the if function, if. So before we move to Excel, let's just think about this in English. In English you could have a sentence that went, if you get more than 50% in your exam, you will pass. If you don't, you will fail. That is the structure of an if query. First you have the if part, the test, will you get more than 50%? Secondly, you have the answer if that is true, so yes, I got more than 50%, and the answer is pass. And thirdly, you have the answer if that is not true, which is fail. So you have the test, the result if it's correct, the result if it's not correct. This is sometimes referred to as if, then, else. So if is the test, did I get more than 50%? Then, if I did, pass. Else, which means the same as otherwise, fail. So let's look at the spreadsheet. What we have here is exactly that situation of an exam. So in the column A we have student names. In columns C and E we have a couple of tests that they took during the term, and in column F we have their percentage mark for the term. So in column G we want to put something that'll say whether they passed or failed. So first time out we're going to use fx here to keep it simple, and if, okay. Right, let's move this across here a little bit. So logical test is F2 greater than, and because this is an exam, if you get 50% exactly, you will pass, so we have to say greater than or equal to 50%. And okay, that's the test, and you can see at the right it says true, because F2 is 84%. Okay, second line, what if it's true? So we're going to say pass. And what if it's not true? We're going to say fail. Okay. And you can see at the bottom here, it tells you the formula result. The formula equals pass, because 84% is greater than 50%. So, okay. And then let's drag that one down. And we can see that we have 3 passes for 84, 54, and 56, which are all greater than 50, and 1 fail for 27 that is less than 50. So I'm going to just delete what we've just done, and I'll show you how to do the same thing manually without using the fx. So we start with the equal sign, and then if, open brackets, the first argument is F2 greater than or equals 50%. Just for the record, it's important that you say greater than before the equal sign. If you say equals before greater than sign, it won't work. So now we've finished the first test, so comma to separate it from the next bit. What if it's true? And we have to put it in quotation marks. So pass, quotation marks, and that one is finished, so comma. And then if it isn't true, fail, quotation mark, and close the bracket, because we have to have the same number of closed brackets as open brackets, and enter, and pass, which is what we expected. And if we drag it down, it's exactly the same as before. So that's a quick and easy way to set up a function to decide between 2 possibilities, pass or fail. Next time we will look at how to deal with more than 2 possibilities, but for today that's it, so see you next time.